Olliepaloo, yay!
Hi friends, I'm Ollie. Today, Daddy and I are going bowling.
One little pin, two little pins standing in a row. Three little pins, four little pins, ready, set, and go. 5 and 6 and 7 pins, shiny white and red. 8 and 9 and 10 little pins, roll the ball ahead. Roll, roll, roll the ball, rolling down the lane. Crash go all the pins, let's count them once again. Olliepaloo, Olliepaloo, bowling with my dad, counting 1 to 10 today. The best fun that we had. Roll, roll, roll the ball, rolling down the lane. Crash go all the pins.
We counted to 10 today. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job! Bye-bye, friends. See you next time.
Olliepaloo.